In the first 12 months of this YouTube channel, I uploaded 88 new videos and grew my channel by over 1,064%. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to grow on YouTube, my YouTube content strategy, and I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes of my YouTube analytics to show you exactly what my numbers look like, how I got there, and what I'm doing to grow even faster so that you can reach your YouTube goals. Now, for the scope of this video, I'm gonna be talking about my personal YouTube channel that I started uploading consistently at the beginning of 2020. You may recognize me from my company's main YouTube channel called MySwimPro, where we're approaching 100,000 subscribers and have over 500,000 followers across all of our different social media accounts. In this video, I'm gonna share my journey with this channel and also what I learned scaling up that channel to nearly 100,000 subscribers as well. So let's get right into it. What are the facts? I started uploading January 16, 2020, and at the time I had 85 subscribers. Now, this is my personal YouTube account, so I've had it for over 10 years, but I never really treated it as a true YouTube channel. And I just uploaded some cool drone shots or swimming videos from my prior life. And that's the thing with YouTube. You have to treat it like an actual channel, like a real media outlet. You can't treat it like an online data warehouse where you upload your family or travel videos. Now, that's actually okay if you're a family or travel vlog. But for me and most people out there, they're gonna have a specific purpose with their channel. So instead, you have to think about your YouTube channel not as a place you can just upload random videos, but as a true media platform like Netflix or Hulu or any other streaming service. You have to treat it the same way. So the key to that, just like you watch your favorite Netflix shows or on Hulu, you have to upload consistently and you have to have a main actor on your channel being the same voice or the same individual that can communicate and build a relationship with the audience. If we look at my first year of analytics, I uploaded 88 new videos from January 16, 2020 to January 16, 2021. Now, this was a total of 905 new subscribers. I ended up finishing that first year with just under the 1,000 subscribers, and this increase was 1,064.71%. I averaged about 4% growth per week, and my channel did 35,600 views, which equated to 2,600 of watch time hours, and again, the 905 subscribers. And as you can see, it's sort of in a compounding exponential growth. So 4% per week when you get started doesn't really seem like a lot, especially in watch time. But as you grow and you get a few videos that pop off, it's just gonna compound over time as your library starts to increase. Now, what's really interesting about this growth is, as you can see, in the month of April, I started publishing videos like crazy. I did one video per day. You can see per week I was uploading over 9 videos in these time periods. I was really grinding it out, trying to put out as much content as possible. And to be honest, I did burn myself out a little bit. I think that's actually not as important in the very beginning so much as just being consistent, whether it's 3 times per week or 2 times per week, or something that is reasonable to allow you to get there. If you're just getting started, you should upload at least once per week. And yeah, don't try and do 7 times per week. I mean, for me, I talk about entrepreneurship, investing in startups, and building businesses. And after the first year, I was basically still experimenting. I'm still experimenting with what types of videos really resonate with my audience and what's really an underserved opportunity. And over the last few months, I actually found a pretty big gap on YouTube, and I decided to focus on it because I noticed that there are a lot of channels talking about personal finance and investing in the stock market, but practically no one is talking about investing in startups. Now, as an entrepreneur that has raised money before and is also an angel investor, and I invest in startups, 1 to 2 per month, I figured that I'm in a perfect position to start a focus on my channel about this topic. And I found that these whiteboard style videos explaining how to invest in startups and the investments that I'm making are actually starting to get a lot of traction. So I decided to keep doing these videos and keep focusing on them. So while my numbers are still relatively small, the videos that I make on these topics are getting like 10 to 50 times the amount of views as my other videos on this channel. And I think that just goes to show how important it is that understanding the psychology of people is. And I actually took a YouTube course by Meet Kevin. You may have seen him on YouTube. And he really broke down this concept of building a relationship with your audience and then giving them what they want. And it sounds so simple in practice, but when you take a step back, this makes a lot of sense. I mean, at the end of the day, people tune into a YouTuber to be educated, entertained, and inspired. And I've seen this on our big channel where I am the thought leader in the space of swimming, educating, inspiring, and entertaining people. So if you can focus on one or more of these things, educate, entertain, or inspire, you're gonna be in a great position. And you have to do this as consistently as possible, and you'll start to build an audience that grows over time. And as you can see in my channel, it really starts to compound over time. So I highly recommend that course, Meet Kevin. I actually did a full review on that video, and I'm gonna show you the analytics from that video specifically. If you guys are interested, I do have an affiliate link that gives you the maximum discount on that course on how to grow on YouTube. I haven't made my own course. I think there's some great options out there. If I make one in the future, I'll link it. But until that time, Meet Kevin has an amazing course, and I highly recommend it. So I wanna show you my top 3 videos on this YouTube channel and what the analytics look like. So my number 1 performing video is how to invest in startups. This video has almost 10,000 views since it was uploaded. It's been less than a year. And as you can see, it's growing in a parabolic pattern. In the very beginning, look at this. In the first 45 days, it had 200 views. Then the YouTube algorithm started picking it up, and now it has over 1,000 hours of watch time. I've gained 260 subscribers just from this single video. And as you can see, people are discovering the video from YouTube search. People are actually searching, or they're just searching on Google how to invest in startups. And I realized that this is a big opportunity on YouTube, and I can fulfill that need. And also my other top performing videos on YouTube are all around this same topic. So when I look at the analytics of how this video is performing, 33% average retention. This is a 22-minute video. So my average view duration is over 7 minutes. And I know that's the sweet spot for YouTube, is getting a video, over 8 to 10 minutes in average view duration. That's when you know your video is performing really well. My second highest performing video has almost 4,000 views. This video is the Meet Kevin review. So if you guys are interested in that YouTube course, make sure you watch this video that I did about the course and check out the link down below in the description. 4,000 views, 210 hours of watch time, and I gained 41 subscribers. Again, most people are learning about this from external sources, so I actually share this inside of Meet Kevin's group. People are also searching for reviews on his different courses. He's got some great stuff on like the psychology of money, real estate, investing, stuff like that. This one doesn't have as good of a retention actually, only 3 minutes. It's a shorter video, it's 12 minutes. That last video was 22 minutes. So, it's a shorter video, but I think the people who are watching it are really sticking with it. A lot of people drop off right away, but this video happens to be getting a lot of views on my channel. And then the third one here is how to make the Forbes 30 under 30 list. So if you guys don't know, I am in the Forbes 30 under 30, and I did a video answering the question, how do you make the Forbes 30 under 30? Because so many people were asking me about this. So I decided, let me just make a video about it. If you're interested in the Forbes 30 under 30, check it out. It has 2,500 views. Watch time is almost 200 hours. I gained 54 subscribers from this video, and most people are coming from YouTube search. So as you can see, you really got to make videos that people are actually searching for, because when you don't have an audience like I do, when I published this video, I had maybe 500 or 600 subscribers. And so I'm getting, 5 times the number of views as the number of subscribers, because people are searching for this content. If people are asking you for questions, it means that they're searching for an answer. So make a video that answers the questions that they have and put it on YouTube. And if there aren't a lot of people answering those questions on YouTube, you're gonna rank really high for these different things. So here, this video, how to make the Forbes list, I have 4 minutes and 34-second average view duration. Pretty good retention here, 44%. I know on YouTube, if you get over 40% on the average percent viewed, you're in really good shape. So with all that being said, make sure you focus on those 3 core metrics: education, entertainment, and inspiration. If you can do one or more of those in your videos, you're gonna be on your way. There you have it, folks. A full deep dive on my first year on YouTube, looking at our analytics, how I think about content strategy. If that was interesting and you wanna follow along in my journey of YouTube and also entrepreneurship, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think in the comments or any questions that you have. And I'll also link additional resources to grow on YouTube and other relevant videos that I've done down below in the description. Make sure to follow me on social media as well. I'll post my channels down below. I share a behind the scenes look of what it's like building a global technology and media company with a distributed team that spans over 10 different time zones. So that sounds interesting. Make sure you're part of the community and let me know what questions you have down below. I wish you the very best. Have a great day and keep hustling.